Every day, countless people log onto the internet. But beneath the surface web, we all know lies a hidden world, one that's claiming thousands of lives each year. This is the story of the dark web and how it's become a silent killer in our digital age. What if I told you that with just a few clicks, you could access a shadowy underworld where drugs, weapons, and even hitmen are for sale? This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of the dark web. The dark web is a part of the internet that's intentionally hidden, requiring special software to access. It's a place where anonymity reigns supreme and where illegal activities flourish. But this anonymity comes at a deadly cost. Every year, thousands die from drugs purchased on dark web marketplaces. Fentanyl, a synthetic opioid 50 times stronger than heroin, is just a few clicks away for anyone with access. But it's not just drugs. The dark web is a breeding ground for cybercrime, human trafficking, and even terrorism. Lives are ruined, families torn apart, all in the shadows of the internet. So why does this matter to you? Because the dark web isn't just some far-off place. It's affecting our communities, our loved ones, maybe even people you know. The teenager next door ordering pills they think are safe. The desperate parent buying medication they can't afford otherwise. The curious computer whiz stumbling into a world they never meant to enter. This is happening right now, all around us, but there's hope. By understanding the dangers of the dark web, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones. Education, awareness, and support for those affected are key. In the next few minutes, we'll dive deeper into the dark web, exploring its dangers, its victims, and what we can do to fight back against this digital menace. If you want to learn more about protecting yourself and your loved ones from the dangers lurking in the shadows of the internet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Together, we can shine a light on the dark web and save lives. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.